Hello students, today we are going to start our ninth video of chapter fraction and decimals. In this video we are going to discuss how to do multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Now the multiplication of decimal number is very easy. So let's see how can we do it. Just take an example 1 0.3 multiply with the 5. So whenever we have to do multiplication of decimal numbers, first, just ignore the decimal point. It means we multiply 3 with the 5. What we get? 15. So write 1, 5, 15. Now count digits after decimal. How many digits after decimal in question? In question there is only one digit after decimal. So we have to need one digit after decimal in answer also. So we put decimal right over here. This is our answer 0.3 multiply with the 5. Let's see one more example. Thirty-six into 0.2. So what will you do? First thing, ignore the decimal. Just ignore decimal. It means you to multiply 36 with the 2. So what we get? 2 6 are 12. Carry over 1 7. Now count the number of digits after decimal in question. There is only one digit after decimal in the question, so we put decimal after one digit. So we need one digit after decimal in answer also. Some more examples with more number of decimals. Thirty-two point six two multiply with 1.2. So first rule, ignore the decimal. So we write here multiply with the 12. Multiply simple form we can do. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 2 3, add them 4 4 11 9 3. We get 3 9 1 4 4. Now count the digit after decimal in question 1 2 3. So in answer also we need 3 digit after the decimal. 1 2 3 we put the decimal right over here. This is our answer. Let's start our exercise 2.6. Now see, the first question is 0.2 multiplication with 6. So we'll start it. See the first question, find 0.2 multiply with the 6. So ignore decimal, so we get 2. 2 6 are 12. Number of digit after decimal in question only one digit, so we need only one digit after the decimal in answer also. We put decimal right over here. This is our answer. Now 2.71 multiply with the 5, so multiply it ignoring decimal. 271 into 5, we get 5 35 5, carry over 3 10. We write here 1 3 5 5. In question there are two digits after decimal, 1 and 2. So in answer also we need only two digits after the decimal. So we put right over decimal right over here, 1 and same question. 0.05 multiply with the 7. Ignore decimal, so 5 left. 5 sevens are 35. Number of digits after decimal question is 1, 2. So we need two digit after decimal in answer also. So we put right over decimal right over here and we put 0. So answer will be 0.35. Now see the question number 2. Find the area of rectangle in which length is equal to 5.7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. As you all know, the formula of area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we write here area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So we have to multiply 5.7 centimeter multiply with the 3 centimeter. Okay. 5.7 into 3 in rough. So we ignore the decimal. 57 into 3. So what we get? 3 sevens are 21. Carry over to 5 threes are 15 plus 2 70. 171. And in question there is one digit after decimal. So in answer we need one digit after decimal. So we put decimal after the one digit from back side. So we get 17.1. Now when we multiply centimeter with the centimeter we get centimeter square. Therefore area of rectangle is equal to 171.1 centimeter square. This is our answer. Now see question number 3. Find first question 1.3 into 10. Fifth question 31.1 into 100. And last one 12 question 0.03 into 1000. The same rule we have to follow which we followed in the first question. Whenever we multiply 1 point into 10, so ignore decimal, so we get 13, and when we multiply 13 with the 10 we get 130. We get 130. Now in question there is one digit after decimal. So in answer we required one digit after the decimal. So put decimal from a one digit from the back side. So what we get 13. So answer will be 13 only. Same thing we follow in question number 5th. 131 into 100. So multiply 300, 31.1. Sorry, 311 into 100 by after the ignoring the decimal. So we get here 31100. Now In question there is one digit after decimal. So in answer also we record only one digit after decimal. So we put decimal before the one digit from the back side. So we get answer 3110. In question number 12, it is given 0.03 multiply with the 1000. So ignore decimals. So 3 is left. 3 into 1000. We get 3000. Now in question there are two digit after decimal. So we need two digit after decimal in the answer also. So we put decimal right over here. For two digit we get 30. This is our answer. Let's see question number 4. In question it is given that a two-wheeler covers distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter petrol. We have to find out how much distance it covered in 10-liter petrol. So simply we multiply 55.3 km with the 10. So when we multiply 55.3 into 10 we get 553 kilometers. So we can say that 553 kilometer covered in 10 liters. We just multiply 553 with the 10 and put the decimal. Let us start our question number 5. The third sum, 0.2 multiply with 316.8. So the first would ignore the decimal. So when we ignore decimal from this part, we write just 2. And after ignoring decimal from here, we write 3168. Now do the multiplication ignoring decimal. So we get 6336. So we write here 6336. Now count the digit after decimal, 1 and 2. There are two digits after decimal in the question. So in answer also we require two digits after decimals. 1, 2. So we put decimal right over here. This is our answer. See question number 6. 11.2 multiply with 0.15. So first ignore the decimal. So when we ignore decimal we write here 112, and when we ignore decimal here we write 15. Multiply 112 into 15 we get 1680. So we write here 1680. Now count the digit after decimal, 1, 2, 3. There are three digits after the decimal. So we require three digits after decimal in the answer also. So put decimal 1, 2, 3 before three digits. We get three digits after decimal in answer also. Next question. Question number 8. 10.05 multiply with 1.05. Ignore the decimal, so we write here 1005 multiply with, ignore the decimal, so we write 105. When we give multiplication we get answer 1,05,525. So we write here answer as it is 1,055,5. Now count the digit after decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four digits after decimal in question, so we required four digits after decimal in answer also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we put decimal right over here. This is our answer, 10.5525. Now question number 10. 100.01 multiply with 1.1. Ignore decimal, so we write here 1,001. Ignore decimal, so we write here 11. When we multiply both the numbers ignoring decimal, we get 10011. So we write here 1110011. Now count the digit after decimal in question 1, 2, 3. So we put decimal after 1, 2, 3. So we need 3 digit after the decimal. So we get answer 110.011.